Today we will learn 100 new vocabulary words. Samarthan, support. Support. Samadhan, solution. Solution. Sangrachna, structure. Structure. Sangathan, organization. Organization. Saundarya, beauty. Beauty. Sthiti, situation. Situation. Samvedanshilta, sensitivity. Sensitivity. Swatantrata, freedom. Freedom. Smriti, memory. Memory. Srijan, creation. Creation. Saubhagya, luck. Luck. Sanskriti, culture. Culture. Seema, limit. Limit. Sunishchitta, certainty. Certainty. Utsarjan, emission. Emission. Urja sanchan, energy conservation. Energy conservation. Paryavaran, environment. Environment. Pardarshita, transparency. Transparency. Parivartan, transformation. Transformation. Pragati, progress. Progress. Prabandhan, management. Management. Prerna, motivation. Motivation. Focus, focus. Focus. Bhavishya, future. Future. Bhumika, role. Role. Vyavastha, system. System. Vichar, idea. Idea. Vikas, development. Development. Vaishvikaran, globalization. Globalization. Vyaktitva, personality. Personality. Samarthan pranali, support system. Support system. Sansadhan, resource. Resource. Sanchar, communication. Communication. Samajik, social. Social. Savdhani, caution. Caution. Sthirta, stability. Stability. Spashtikaran, explanation. Explanation. Smart, smart. Smart. Sashaktikaran, empowerment. Empowerment. Sanrakshan, conservation. Conservation. Sangathnatmak, organizational. Organizational. Satikta, accuracy. Accuracy. Samvad, dialogue. Dialogue. Srijanatmak, creative. Creative. Samajik zimmedari, social responsibility. Social responsibility. Suraksha, security. Security. Samarpan, dedication. Dedication. Samanvay, coordination. Coordination. Samarthan karna, to support. To support. Safalta, success. Success. Anumati, permission. Permission. Anurodh, request. Request. Anusandhan, research. Research. Anubhav, experience. Experience. Abhivyakti, expression. Expression. Amulya, priceless. Priceless. Akarshak, attractive. Attractive. Akanksha, aspiration. Aspiration. Atmavishwas, confidence. Confidence. Aadhar, basis. Basis. Ayojan, event. Event. Aram, relaxation. Relaxation. Ichha, desire. Desire. Itihas, history. History. उत्साह, enthusiasm, enthusiasm, उपलब्धि, achievement, achievement, उद्योग, industry, industry, ऊर्जा, energy, energy, एहसास, realization, realization, कल्पना, imagination, imagination, कृतज्ञता, gratitude, gratitude, कुशल, skilled, skilled, खोज, discovery, discovery, गति, speed, speed, गुणवत्ता, quality, quality, चुनौती, challenge, challenge, जीवन शैली, lifestyle, lifestyle, ज्ञान, knowledge, knowledge, तकनीक, technology, technology, तेजी, rapidly, rapidly, दृष्टिकोण, perspective, perspective, नई, novel, novel, निरंतर, continuous, continuous, निर्णय, decision, decision, निवेश, investment, investment, नैतिकता, ethics, ethics, परंपरा, tradition, tradition, प्रभाव, impact, impact, प्रामाणिकता, authenticity, authenticity, fashion, 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 बदलाव, change, change, भावना, emotion, emotion, मजबूती, strength, strength, मूल्य, value, value, मौलिकता, originality, originality, रचनात्मकता, creativity, creativity, रुचि, interest, interest, लचीलापन, flexibility, flexibility, विश्लेषण, analysis, analysis, विश्वास, trust, trust, व्यक्तिगत, personal, personal, सकारात्मकता, positivity, positivity, सुधार, improvement, improvement, सृजनशीलता, innovation, innovation, संतुष्टि, satisfaction, satisfaction,